Government has introduced
Introduced what?
a new scheme, my lord, for a 29 rupees each kg.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Distribute ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. So we were
ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
stay ಇಲ್ಲ
ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ stay ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ 171E IFR ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ.
No, this is the fresh matter, my lord.
IFR ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಬೇಡವಾ?
Application ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಡವಾ ಸ್ಟೇ?
ಬೇಕು ಬೇಕು.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಸ್. Who is in possession?
Manesh,
Who is in possession?
petitioner,
How?
accused number 1 and
How?
2.
How?
Manesh, come to page number, Manesh. Introduce the order copy, Manesh.
Order copy in OS 12 of 2018.
Yes, Manesh.
What is that suit for? ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
Yes, Manesh. Suit
ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. Yes.
Please note, I appear for
Petitioners are petitioner before this court so and so. The offence alleged is the one punishable under section 498A inter alia. The petitioners are accused 5, 6 and 7 finding no so and so Kashkan. Yes, next. One HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by the 9th of August till such time. Next.
Great.
19th. List on 9th. Nimdala sir. Next. List on 19th. The counsel Sri B. Latif B. Latif is directed to accept notice for the respondent. List the matter on 19th. Petitioner to serve set of paper 7A.
7.
Yes.
One submission.
ಹಾ.
Any other counsel for local?
ಯಾಕೆ ಲತೀಫ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Why? This is a strange submission. Why? Any conflict of interest?
No.
Then that's not correct. Yes. B. Latif is directed to accept notice for the respondent.
Meanwhile, stay, my lords.
No,
ಏನು demand-
7A ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ? Ask your senior.
It is with respect to accused number 1 allegations, my lords.
Maybe.
Against ಏನು allegations ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಅದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. 19th. 4 days ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Serve on him. But don't make that submission. That's incorrect. You should not say don't serve on some other counsel. Yes.
Like-
If the Lokayukta gives it to someone else, no problem. That submission should not be made. Yes.
For petition, my lords. My lords, in this charge sheet has been filed, my lords. The suit is purely civil in nature, my lords.
So who is in possession?
The petition, my lords.
How?
It has been decreed in OS 284 of 2000.
In the meantime, yes. ಏನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Slightly peculiar facts, so
ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಯಾಕೆ? ಏನ್ 451, 457 application is rejected.
that is all.
What is that?
Now the concern is the order rejecting the release.
ಏನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ.
Vehicle, it's a car, yours.
ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
Some toddy, few liters
ಟಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
from Andhra Pradesh.
ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಟಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಪರ್?
Not,
Then
it is only for personal consumption.
personal consumption. How many liters were you carrying, sir?
It's 1 liter bottles.
how
of,
many?
55 numbers.
55 liters ಟಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Your lordships, however, there is a stay past.
That's all right, sir. 55 liters ಟಾಡಿ you consume, is it?
Your lordship, that's why
The personal consumption ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕಾ?
your lordships, if I may make my submission,
Hmm.
in fact, it's the fruits of the poisonous tree. In fact, my clients have
ಆಯ್ತು, that
submitted,
we'll see.
they were only carrying 5 liters. However, there's some skirmish between the accused and the
So
police.
5 is added, is it?
Additional 50 is added is what my told. That is why there's violation of the search warrant provisions. Hence, a stay was granted by the
Before,
court.
but before me, what is the matter? It's only 451, 457.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ?
That is all.
We'll hear him, yes.
That's if I may.
By an interim order should I release?
Allah, there is no
Which
entry-
vehicle?
We have not sought for entry order.
Which vehicle?
It's a Tata Nexon. It's a car past 7-8 months has been subject to vagaries of nature. It's deteriorating by.
Vagaries of nature. Electric car, ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Next one electric, is it?
It's a diesel.
Regular one. Okay, sir. Yes.
I may request for fresh matters here.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so
List on 24th in the fresh matters list.
grateful.
Current HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent.
Section 420.
Correct. ದುಡ್ಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, set
Page
ಆಗೋದು
27 ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
68% minute, you have settled.
Make it 32% ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
Lost may kindly see annexure E.
Page.
Annexure E minute page number 204. This is minute PLC, that is Legal Service Authority,
ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಿ 204
204 Annexure E.
ಹಾ
My lord, page number 207 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, there is an order.
ಹ್ಮ್
Above persons have acquired the receipt of the settlement amount and signed the order sheet in my presence. Accordingly, the.
ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ
68% ಗೆನಾ
ಹೌದು. Annexure F ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೆಮೊ.
respective claims submitted, they have no further claim.
Please. No
The-
further.
Counsel for the petitioner takes this court through a pre-litigation case in PLC 105795 of 2023, wherein the complainant himself agrees that 68% of the amount that he has received would be in full and final settlement of the claims, then registers the impugned crime. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by 20th August. In the meantime, when did you go out of the firm, madam? ಬನ್ನಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದಾಯ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್
179 euro.
ಸ್ಟೇಡ್ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್
She went out of the firm on 4/11/2022, my lord, and the partnership was
ಹೂ
reconstituted.
ಇಸ್ ಯಾರು ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ
He is the respondent, my lord. I am.
ಈ ಕಡೆ
the
ಬನ್ನಿ.
petitioner.
ನೀವೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಪೇ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟಾ
ಪರ್ಸನ್
ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಲೀವ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ ವೇಟ್ ಸರ್
4/11/2000.
I have not yet issued notice, you will not get audience till then, yes.
4/11/2022, my lord, at page number 90.
When is the crime registered?
My lord, this is.
138 proceeding,
138.
when was it registered? Check issued yavat,
Check issued and presented in 2024, February, my
date
lord.
of the checks,
Date of the check is February 2024.
Feb 2/24.
Please, my lord.
Your accused number?
3, my lord.
The petitioner is accused number 3. The respondent seeks to appear in person. The respondent complainant shall comply with the formalities of issuance of Form C before the committee. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner came out of the firm on 4/11/2023,
22, my lord.
2022. The check, which
Date-
is the subject matter, the check hyphen the instrument, which is the subject matter of the proceedings before the concerned court for offense punishable under section 138 of the NI Act, is issued in the month of February
Sorry, my
2020.
lord, it's 21/12/2023, presented on 9/1/2023.
Is dated 21/12/2023 and presented on,
9/1/2024, my lord.
correct?
No, my lord, the notice, legal notice is 9/1/24.
Date and
Check dated is 21/12/23.
which
presented
is
in the same.
ostensibly after the exit of the petitioner. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Obliged, my lord.
Place the matter on 8th August. Yes,
Obliged.
next.
My lord, I represent the same. It's a 138 proceedings, my lord. This petitioner is the
The
complainant.
Petitioner is before this court calling in question proceedings in 138 da.
138.
420 ಯಾವುದು?
I am the complainant in the 138 proceeding.
Ah.
After 10 years, he files a
The
private complaint.
petitioner is before this court calling in question proceedings in so and so. The petitioner registers a complaint for offense punishable under section 138 of the NI Act 10 years ago na,
In the year 2014, my lord, 10 years.
in the year 2014. A crime is registered for offense punishable under section 420 on 24/5/2024, narrating an incident of alleged theft that has happened in the year 2013. It is only to get over the proceeding pending for offense punishable under section 138, the crime is registered. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner till the disposal of the petition.
Yes.
1 HCGP 2 emergent notice.
Yes.
Next. Why are you harassed?
Your lordships, my name is not even in the FIR, my lord.
Ah.
On 16th December, without issuing any notice,
the ASCP along with the respondent number 1 police, they arrest the petitioner, my lord.
Bail cancelled, my lord.
Bail cancel.
Bail cancel illa.
List day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list, the learned HCGP to secure instructions and make submissions as to how the petitioner was taken into custody without a crime being registered against him on production of the records. Yes,
Much obliged.
next. Madam, oh, sorry, 19th. Rudratna, 307.
Simple injuries are there, not.
Injury ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
We have produced the own certificate also.
ಏನ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
My lord,
No.
the complaints of the court employees, my lord, at the time of executing the decree, my lord, they have.
307 there is some injury. You can't do that. One HCGP, two emergent notice. Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel, Murthy D. Naik, appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner registers a crime in crime number 62 of 2021. As a tactic to arm twist the petitioner, a crime comes to be registered against these petitioners on 10/3/2022, which has now become the subject matter of the impugned proceedings. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, quay the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Great.
The petitioner, my lord.
Rami,
The arrest.
ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ವೈ ಆಲ್ ಗಿರಿನಗರ್ ವಿಹಾರ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ?
There are 12.
There are 12 petitions, why?
Separate petitions for separate accused because the first
I-
capacity.
Separate petition for separate accused, why do you increase pendency here? ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ತಾನೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ
Yes, my lord. Andar bar.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರ್ ಬಾರೆ
186,
1
187.
all 12 numbers ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. What is this you are doing? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, all 12
Yes, my
heard so and so. Huh?
I sought to stay of further proceedings.
I am not granting, no stay, no question of stay at all.
My lord, covered matter. my
All
lord.
are disposed, madam. What stay? Yes.
Much obliged.
Give all the serial numbers ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. Covered judgment ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
I have
And what's your name?
Aditi Ajay.
So and so, heard so and so ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ for all 12 cases.
Much.
188. 180. 188.
498 AMLS. He
All
gives,
yes, husband no.
Millets, he gives a notice calling upon her to
ಅದ್
come and
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
join.
See, that submission after the notice she registered ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Yes, yes,
Kashkan, husband is not before the court, ಅಲ್ಲ, he is before the court.
yes.
But
yes.
insofar as husband is concerned, no stay.
All.
One HCGP, two emergent notice.
Petitioner.
PNDT.
Millets,
ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಸರ್,
ನಮ್ದು.
189.
118.
PNDT. Accused number 5.
Accused number
See
5.
the statement of accused number 5. Your husband has cooperated for abortion, correct?
That's the allegation, my lord. Under the MTP Act, my lord.
That we'll see whether the hospital has permission was taken or otherwise. Prima facie, there is no permission taken.
No,
The learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent, secure the investigation papers or the reason for search and the further proceedings by the next date of hearing. List on 24th in the fresh matters list.
Till then, my lord.
Till then, 24th. Not in this case. I know you are the, but your husband's statement. Yes. Same ಎಲ್ಲ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿ serial numbers ಕೊಡಿ, madam. All the serial numbers you give.
Yes, I've given all the.
Huh?
I've given the case number. Shall I also?
Serial numbers ಕೊಡಿ. What is this? Yes.
Request for Mondays.
190
ಲೋಕ ಅದಾಲತ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗೋಕೆ.
I will confirm and
We will close it. If there is anything, you move it. Counsel for the petitioner and the learned HCGP on instructions would submit that the matter is settled in the recently concluded Lok Adalat.
On 13/7.
On 13/7, the recently concluded Lok Adalat. In that light, the petition is disposed as having become infructuous. Yes, next.
Petitioners, an atrocity.
A marital discord results in giving a color of atrocity between the parties or the family members as the case would be. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings soon.
petitions case.
Please, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam.
Huh.
The primary side, my lord, the respondent number 2 is given a complaint before the Kadapa police station. my lord.
Correct.
In the said Kadapa police station, my lord, there is no any specific allegations against harassment or nothing, my lord.
Against whom, sir?
Against the petition number, all the petitions, my lord.
All the petitions.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
I don't accept.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, dowry harassment ಅಂತ
Dowry
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್
harassment
ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
and all in the United, ಎಲ್ಲಿ US ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ,
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ನೀವು? ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, against husband ಇಲ್ಲ, all else, yes. Stayed against all others except husband.
Please. Great.
Same A2 and A3. Stayed. Bhagwan sir, sorry, ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ಲ, 195.
95.
This is lethal combination. 498, 307. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, 307 ಗು ಅಷ್ಟು only allegation. Petitioners are A2 and A3, accused number 2 and 3. Though the offense alleged is the one punishable under section 498A and 307, all the offenses, even the attempt to kill the complainant as
One sufficient. It is in the stage of evidence, my lord.
charge frame ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge frame ಆಗಿದೆ.
Sir,
Charge framed on 9/11. 22.
9/11/23 itself.
22.
20. No, no, I'll have to interfere in every case.
Only one submission with regard to that. The complainant does not appear in the court at all.
That I will direct the conclusion of proceedings. ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
The petitioner is before this court so and so heard G. Bhagwan ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. The learned HCGP on instructions would submit the charges are framed on 9/11/2022 and the matter is set at the stage of evidence. Therefore, interference at this stage would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Meenakshi Bala so and so. The learned counsel would submit that the complainant is not at all appearing before the concerned court for conclusion of the trial. The submission is noted and then the concerned court is directed to conclude the proceedings in accordance with law within 6 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. Yes. Ordered accordingly. ಇದು A2 and A3, 498A, Kashkan.
A2, A3, A4 and A5.
A2 and A3, A4 and A5?
Sister-in-law and husband of the sister-in-law
Yes.
who reside in Canada.
Yes, next.
Lord, doctrine of sameness, second FIR.
How sameness, PNDT?
On the second
ಯಾವ್ದು first one ಯಾವ್ದು?
First one, my lord, if my lords could peruse the first complaint at page
Let's see then. No.
28, my lord. Yes, my lord, he is a lab technician. Page 28, my lord.
We'll see, sir. Sameness we will.
On the sameness, your lordship judgment ಇದೆ.
ಬೈರೇಗೌಡ.
Please,
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, yes. Friday.
please, madam.
Madam, ಲಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ?
Stay, my lord.
ಅವತ್ತು. Yes.
Please, please.
Disposed. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, 199, 79, 80.
Please,
KP Act.
please.
Huh.
Lord, we are on the.
Rammi,
No, the petitioners, if your lordship may kindly turn to page 27, my lord.
I am there, sir. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಟೋಕನ್ ಖರೀದಿಸಿ.
Dot game,
ಏನು?
dot game.
Dot.
If your lordship may kindly turn
Dot
to
ಅಲ್ಲ,
page
dart.
dot
Hmm.
27, page 27, my lord.
Hmm.
Lord, all these petitioners are the workers of the club, the players of the club. Page 27,
ಎಲ್ಲ all accused numbers?
accused number 20 to 31.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಯಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Heard the learned counsel H. Shanti Bhushan appearing for the petitioner. The petitioners are said to be employees of Balaji Club, which is said to have indulged in the offense punishable under section 79 and 80 of the Karnataka Police Act, as the club was indulging in playing of dart game. Whether dart game is a game of skill or chance would be decided at a later point in time, but the petitioners who are employees should not be harassed. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings by the petitioners till the next date of hearing.
Great.
Next.
Lord, the petitioner,
Page 36.
please, the CW four and
Page
three,
36.
please, 36, 26.
26, sorry, mistake. 26, sorry.
Please, Lord, as per the charge sheet also, yet the complainant has transferred the amount to CW 3 and 4. And in the complaint, it is very clear that with the consent, he had took the money in the year 2019. That is from the petitioner.
We'll see. Look into it.
Please.
24th in the fresh matters list. HCGP to go through the papers and make his submissions.
Well, I appear for the petitioners, my lord. Well, petition number 1 and respond number 2 are the brothers. My lord, they have taken, partition was taken place among them. But subsequently, my lord, after partition, decree was been drawn by the trial court. When the
That's
petition,
not a license to assault.
no, my lord, when they were doing agriculture work, my lord, this respond number 2 has came and assaulted this petition and vandalized the entire.
ನೀವು
My lord, I
complaint
produced the
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
yes, I also given complaint.
ಅದೇನು crime number?
It is there, my lord, I produced page number for 30 to crime number 111 of 2024, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದು?
Same offenses, similar.
110. Get the investigation papers in both. 26th in the fresh matters list, petitioner HCGP to secure investigation papers in both crime number 110 and 111 of 2024. Avat kodu. Yes.
For petitioner, my lord. For the allegation of
In the meantime. Yes. Two not four ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. 205 ಪಲ್ಲವ.
Petition, my lord.
Hmm.
317, 417,
The
my lord, 376.
Petitioner is before this court calling in question so and so. The narration in the complaint or charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
The narration in the complaint of the summary of the charge sheet is indicative of the fact that the complainant and the petitioner were in relationship for about 6 years from 2017 to 2023. And then comes the offense of rape on the ground that the petitioner has breached the promise of marriage and therefore he has committed the said offense. Permitting further proceedings would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Naeem Ahmad versus so and so, 2023 SCC online SC page 89. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay for the proceedings.
Great.
Next.
Petitioner. This petitioner number 3,
13.
13,
3 alla.
13, 13.
13. Offense 302.
The only allegation,
Only ilve illa.
ಚೈತ್ರ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
201 ಸಾಕು ಸರ್.
ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇವರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ವೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ 2020 ಅವರ after the marriage she is a pregnancy is taken rest in the hospital.
all have taken money from the deceased.
No, sir. 302 offense, how can you expect 482 interference?
But allegation
No.
only allegation is ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಕೇಸ್ ನಾನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Even if it is 302, clear ಆಗಿದೆ.
she is residing at Bangalore.
No. All ನೀವು pleading ಎಲ್ಲ matter of trial.
She is the wife of A2.
That basis is the
No,
this case.
File discharge. Yes. I'm not going to interfere. So discharge, next. Bank is the complainant.
Yes.
Get
But
the
the-
bank.
Note act, on the
No,
part
that
of the
will
petition.
see. Get the bank. Yes.
I'm not a signatory in any of the documents, my lord.
So what, sir? We'll see. Petitioner to serve on any panel counsel representing the respondent bank, the complainant. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the first respondent. List the matter on 1st August in the fresh matters list. Yes. When did you issue caste certificate?
2014
14 or 15?
3
2003.
ಅಲ್ಲ 2003 ನ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್
ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
2015 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2015 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. And that is on the basis of a caste certificate that is already existing from 2003 in the meantime. Yes.
ಸ್ಟೇ
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು.
Relationship from the past 10 years.
That is not the issue, sir. Circulation of private videos.
Lords, there is no, even
Your
the charge sheet
there's-
materials does not
No.
disclose, my lord, circulation of any such material. Lords, the dispute between them, my lords, have been given color of this case. But the offense alleged are, my lords, under 509.
Get her. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice.
Meantime, my lords.
No, meanwhile, returnable by the
Lords, the
13th
offenses
of
alleged
August.
to have been committed, my lords, outside the country in Muscat.
No, no, sir, we'll see.
Lords, under 188, my lords.
Get the wife, sorry, get the girl, yes.
Till then, my lords.
No, sir, not a case.
The petitioners in this case.
We'll continue at 2:30.
Madam, 16th ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? Madam, madam, excuse me. Madam, 16th ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? Excuse me. Madam.
Court officer, madam. Madam, court officer, madam.
Madam. Madam.
Madam, court officer, madam. 230 ಎಷ್ಟು
Sir,
matter
ಹೇಳಿ.
230 ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಹಾ?
ಮೆಮೊ 230 ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಮೆಮೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
230 matters ಆ? 4
ಹೌದು
o'clock ಗೆ.
ಮೆಮೊ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 230 ಗೆ ಅಂತ? ಒಂದು 5-10 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅದು ಇದ್ದಾವ?
God, fuck it. Listen here.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್.
ಸರ್ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಆಯ್ತು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೆಲ್ಲನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Court officer, madam.
Court officer. Court officer.
My lord.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
My lord, the petitioner is living in Kuwait, my lord. The respondent number 2 has filed 498 proceedings.
Living in
and
Kuwait,
to her. Yes, ma'am. They are living separately, ma'am.
So
She has filed a case and punishable under
why
section.
are you moving at 2:30?
Morning I filed a memo.
Huh?
Morning I.
What is
filed
the
a-
urgency?
Warrant has been issued, my lords.
Why have you not appeared before the court?
My lords, we secured bail, my lords.
When?
We secured bail last week, my lords.
Last week.
Please,
So let it come on Friday.
my lords, and the other memo, my lords.
Which memos?
My lords, this is a similar case, my lords, but there is no marriage in this, my lords. The respondent number 2 to extort money, my lords, has filed a case against petitioner, my lords.
Move it at 10:30 tomorrow.
Please, my lords.
Sorry to make a mention, please, my lords.
ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ urgency ನಾ?
The urgency is
ಏನ್
this.
urgency?
My lords, they are not arrayed as accused in the complaint, please, my lords. Investigating agency files a B report against 1 to 4, please, my lords. Now, protest petitionally, they have implicated us, please, my lords, and have taken search warrant and they are arrested.
Petition ಅಲ್ಲ.
Yes, in the protest petition, they have implicated us, please, my lords. That is the urgency, please, my lords.
Third end of the list.
Please, grateful.
Yes. Copy ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, please.
HCGP here.
Please, please, grateful.
Not in the AG's office.
No, no, please.
Yes. ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಸರಿ ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ.
Appeal for the respondent number 2.
Offense
498A. Also kept the petitioner present. I have also kept the petitioners present before the court
that's all right. Where is the settlement?
at page number 40. Memorandum of settlement entered in the MC matter, my lords.
The petitioners are before this court calling in question proceedings in so and so. The parties, i.e. the husband and the wife, were also before the family court in MC 6354 of 2024, where they have arrived at a settlement, drawing up certain terms of settlement. One of the term of settlement is closure of the present proceedings. The said terms of settlement that are germane read as follows. Page 41 to 42 marked portion. In the light of the offense being one punishable under section 498A of the IPC and not being against the state, I deem it appropriate to accept the settlement, compound the offense, and close the proceedings qua the petitioners. For the aforesaid reasons, the following order: disposed, quashed, qua the petitioners. Any doubt in the chamber?
Obliged.
Second list, yeah.
498A and 3 and 4 Prohibition Act.
ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಪಲ್ಲವ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಮೂರು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಾ?
More matter. Serial number 290, my lord, in the first list, and serial number 20, 20.1 and 20.
ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 290 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 20, 20.1, 20.2.
20 I am withdrawing, my lord. It's a judgment, it's a petition challenging the judgment of DV. 20.
Serial number 20, the learned counsel for the petitioner, madam, second list, serial number 20. The learned counsel for the petitioner files a memo seeking to withdraw the petition, disposed in terms of the memo. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ serial number 290 first list, 20.1, 21, 20.2 in the second list. ಈಗೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
There's another matter which I have also filed, my lord, 230 movement.
ಯಾವುದು?
the husband is, the parents has filed it against the family members of the wife. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. That is also ready, man.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. All these petitions arise out of proceedings initiated against each other by the family members. The offences alleged in the cases at hand are ಅದ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ as follows. During the pendency of the petition, the parties to the list have thought it fit to settle the dispute amongst themselves and have drawn certain terms of settlement. One of the term of the settlement is complete closure of the present proceedings on certain conditions. The learned counsel for the petitioner, the parties would submit that all conditions stipulated in the said settlement are complied/fulfilled. The affidavit filed reads as follows. Will you quote this application and affidavit? In the light of the offences being the ones punishable under section 498A and DV Act,
3 and 4 of dowry prohibition.
and 3 and 4 of the Dowry Prohibition Act, and not against the state, I deem it appropriate to accept the settlement, compound the offence, and close the proceedings qua the petitioners for the aforesaid reasons. Disposed, quashed.
230.
230 ಸೇರಿ ಅದು ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Yes.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್. Yes.
Much of.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
I am filing wakalat.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್?
230 matter, my lord.
ಮೇಡಮ್,
And
230 ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಲ್ಲವ ಆರ್ submits that he undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent 230 matter ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Lord.
Registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the respondent. ಅದು separate order sheet ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ draw up the settlement together.
in 10571 of 23. 10571 of 23, I'll have to file wakalat, my lord.
Serial number 290.
299.
290 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Learned counsel
B.S. Srinivas.
BL
Anybody,
BL Sanjeev undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent. Registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the respondent. ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ settlement.
Great, much grateful. 292, my lord. 292, my lord.
Please. Both parties are present, my lord.
Offense.
Offense 341, yeah. A and D, my lord.
354A. Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent. Registry to print the name of so and so. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು settlement ಕೊಡಿ.
ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2
ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ? ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್.
ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಆಯ್ತು. settlement ಕೊಡಿ.
354 A and D, my lord.
Settlement terms ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
No settlement, my lord. They are colleagues. They wanted to close the matter. No claim against each other.
Yes, madam. Flag ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Terms of settlement. Yes. Close. Any doubt? Chamber. Nagoni. Yes.
294, my lords.
Settlement.
Settlement, even that matter settled, my
Offense.
lord. 498, my lord.
Present, my lordship.
Both parties are present.
All the
498A.
parties are present, my lord.
Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent. Registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the respondent. Same settlement. I'll quote, madam. Affidavit to the court ಮಾಡಿ. Not against the state. Close.
Along with the affidavit, NOC, my lordship.
NOC.
For respondent number 2, my lord.
ಕೃಷ್ಣಪ್ಪ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಅವರಿಂದ NOC ತಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು?
For respondent number 2, G.R. Chandrasekhar.
So ಇವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. So registry to print the name of so and so for the second respondent in place of ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು R2 ಇದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Please.
Yes. Offense.
The case and counter case.
Offense, sir.
Forgery for cheating.
420.
295 and 231 move ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
420, 465, 467, 468.
Compromise decree is also filed in, there is a multiple proceedings.
ಏನದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು?
There is a regarding the will and regarding the property, my lord.
Case and counter case.
Into
The petitioners are before this court, so and so. Petitioner, during the pendency of the petition, the parties to the list have settled the dispute amongst themselves and have filed an application seeking to compound the offence. The application and the affidavit read as follows. In the light of the offence being so and so not begins against the state. Yes.
Another connected matter to the.
Connected matter, we moved 230 listed.
ಅದು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು
ಹಾ.
For the petition, having wakalat for respondent number 2 in this case, my lord.
Current counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent
323,
in 498 A.
354, my lord. He has made separate arrangement for the wife, my lord. Mother-in-law was the respondent number 2, my lord. And both are living together now, my lord.
Flag ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ peacefully together living. Don't not being against the state. Yes, madam. Then ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. No confusion?
My lord, serial number 232, my lord, it's one surface matter. It's a-
Settlement
Not settlement.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ?
By oversight, the matter is listed before this bench.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? I will send it 232 register to post the matter before the bench having roster.
Madam, interim order may be extended.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Interim order extended till next date of hearing. Yes.
Much obliged.
Continue the list, madam.
A and
And
307, my
307.
lord, but not against these petitioners. They were residing separately. And
yes,
Ali,
Harish.
Page number 29, my lord. There are assault on wife.
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 2 and 3
2, 3, 4,
2.3
father-in-law,
ಮೇಲೆ-
mother-in-law.
2 and 3 million.
husband ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ.
Husband is not before this.
Let him not come. They heard the counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner is before this court calling in question proceedings in CC 55077 of 2024 for offences punishable under 498A and 307. A perusal at the summary of the charge sheet or the complaint would clearly indicate that all the offences are goaded, G-O-A-D-E-D, goaded against the husband accused number 1 and not even sprinkling few against these petitioners accused number 2, 3 and 5. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that they are they reside elsewhere and have nothing to do with the squabble between the couple. Therefore, there shall be permitting further proceedings would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Kashkan Kaushar versus State of Bihar, 2022 SSC Online SC page 162. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, quay these petitioners till the next date of hearing. Next.
Petitioner, my lord.
The petitioner is before this court seeking seeking the following prayer and thanking. The complainant himself has preferred a suit in OS 6332 of 2022.
Petitioner, my lord.
A petitioner has preferred a suit in OS 6322 of 2022, and to arm twist the petitioner, the impugned complaint is sought to be taken forward. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay or further proceedings, quay the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Bescom 304A.
Yes.
304A.
ಅದು 20th list on 23rd
Kindly, please.
along with connected cases ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Kindly, ma'am. Much obliged. Please have settled their dispute. I have it on file. Settlement ಆಗಿದೆ. For
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್
reporting-
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
For reporting my lords on
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋ ಕಷ್ಟ.
settlement ಆಗಿದೆ.
Learned counsel
Friday.
for the petitioner submits that parties have arrived at settlement. When?
Friday my lords.
Friday at
Well,
2:30 to report, huh?
My lord, it is in a stage of evidence. Charges framed on 8/12.
Judgment ಮುಂಚೆ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
Please, man.
Yes, list
Friday.
the matter on 2:30 on Friday to report settlement.
Great.
76B of income tax.
Income tax will issue notice first.
Yes.
You serve on your DSGI, yeah? ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು income tax panel ಯಾರು? Petitioner to serve on any panel counsel representing the income tax department, 24th in the fresh matters list.
Stay of proceedings, cross examination.
Further proceedings till the next date shall remain stay.
Entire amount is with penalty paid, all. Even before taking the,
24th.
granting the sanction.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
ಇನ್ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ
ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ.
Please.
ಯೂನಿಶೇರ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
ನಾಳಿದ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ.
Please.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆನ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ, ಆನ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ಸಾರಿ.
First.
Appear for the petitioners, my lord, the offences,
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು, 427, 447. Who is in possession?
because,
Because
my lord, the complaint has been lodged by one Praveen on 19/2/2023, my lord, alleging that the petitioners and others have tried to trespass into the.
correct, you have tried to trespass.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 2ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದು, 8ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದು, 19ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಅವರು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ. ಇಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ alleged incident has taken place, my lord, what prevented that person to?
I don't know, sir. Let him come and tell, notice issue ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ.
No,
my lord,
list
ಅಲ್ಲ,
learned HCGP to secure the entire investigation papers and place it before the court, 24th in the fresh matters list.
ಅಲ್ಲ till such time, my lord.
Till
stay
such time, investigation papers, next.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
Yes.
Petitioner, not the second, not the
Why do
complaint.
you go to the gym, sir? ಇದಕ್ಕೆನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 cents ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ he files complaint after 1 month. Making.
406, sir.
ಹೌದು.
In the meantime.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. Well, learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the first respondent, emergent notice to the second respondent returnable by the 13th of August 2024. Till such time, there shall be an interim order of stay for the proceedings where the petitioners till the next date of hearing. Till such time, ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, sir. So
This
Yes.
matter may be connected along with.
tag the petition along with,
3696 of 24.
ಅದು ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, my lordship already direct stay and lord, in fact, my lordship directed to undergo DNA examination of the children out of the my lord said relation between the respondent number 2 and. the
ಕೊಡಿ,
petitioner.
connect ಮಾಡಿ, tag this petition along with so and so.
36
List them both,
3696 of 24.
list them both on, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? 13/8.
DNA examination, the DNA report is awaited, my lord.
ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
State is directed to my lord.
I directed you ಅಲ್ಲ?
Please.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. No.
Jagdish, my lord.
Please, man. I'll verify.
Additional.
Jagdish must be knowing. Yes, next.
I'm for the petitioner, petitioner, the respondent number
A
2.
complaint comes to be registered by the respondent wife against the petitioner husband that he has kidnapped the child. The parties are in squabble with regard to custody of the child before the concerned court. Prima facie, it would not amount to kidnapping of the child, as the rights of the parties are being determined qua visitation before the concerned court. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings before qua the petitioner to the next date of hearing.
Much blessed.
The 19th?
Appearing for the petitioner in this matter, my lords.
Suit for recovery ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Petitioner, my lords.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question so and so for offences punishable and so and so. The petitioner has filed a suit for recovery of the amount from the hands of the complainant. After filing of the suit for recovery emerges the impugned complaint in crime number so and so. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Grateful, my lords.
220.
Charge sheet against me only on the basis of a voluntary statement.
We will see page 56.
Please. Please. There is no such company called Future Crest Ventures. It is not a company registered under Companies Act. There is
Let us see. Learned HCGP is directed to secure the investigation papers and investigation charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು.
charge sheet agent.
ಅದೇ go through the papers and make his submissions. Tuesday, fresh matters list.
Please.
221.
Excise Act. ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದೆ? ಅವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇದು. Interim order. List this matter on so and so date. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings. Yes.
222.
506, 520.
What husband is this?
Husband is not there. 2 to 11, my lord.
2
to 11, my lord.
The petitioners are accused 2 to 11. While all the allegations are against the husband, which on the face of them are horrendous, are dragged into the web of crime without any rhyme or reason. Permitting further proceedings would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Kashkan Kaushar versus so and so. ಅದು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್.
12, my lord, sorry. 2 to 12, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, 2 to 12. So and so. ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? 2022 SEC online SC page 162. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay for the proceedings so and so in the next date of hearing.
23.
CC of 2009, crime of 2019 charge sheet agilva?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Why, sir?
Is under investigation.
5 years to investigate a crime. Offense ಏನು?
420.
420.
420.
BNS ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದೇ advantage. You can't call anybody 420. Because 420 is not cheating under BNS. So Shri 420 ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು. Yes. 5 ವರ್ಷ 420ಗೆ BNS ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, sir. 5 ವರ್ಷ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್. What will secure? In a case concerning the offense punishable under section 420 of the IPC, the investigating officer appears to be scouting for evidence. As 5 years have passed by, no charge sheet is filed, no final report is filed. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings. ಇನ್ನು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿ further proceedings till the next date of hearing. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ವಾಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes. Learned additional SPP is directed to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court on the next date. List the matter on 8th August in the fresh matters list.
Please.
24.
Yes. After lapse of the 5 years, these.
In the meantime.
Great. Correct.
In the meantime.
Great.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? In the meantime ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿ ಚೇಂಬರ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Yes. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Petitioners are before this court so and so. Emergent notice 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. In the meantime, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings so and so. 224
25.
ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತು.
225.
Not in the incident case, charge sheet, my lord, the FIR, my lord, is being registered.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ sir.
I'm sorry, my lord.
24/6/24 is the crime.
The FIR, my lord, is registered for the offences punishable under section 447, 504, 323, 427,
506, 147 of the Indian Penal Code.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Please.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
There is no assault, my lord.
Come to the complaint, sir.
Attributes are not against me, my lord.
Who are-
Against the other accused persons.
Who?
I am the accused number 2 and 4, my lord. Son of the accused number 1, my lord.
ಇಟ್ಕೆಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸರ್?
No, itkel ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋ there is no allegation.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬನ್ನಿ.
They have it is the allegation that.
ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಸರ್.
No, my lord. Accused number 3, my lord. She has, my lord, assaulted the
ಮತ್ತೆ
complainant,
ರೀತಿ
the wooden club. Wooden club.
ವುಡನ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್.
It's not against me, my lord. It's against, specifically against accused number 3, one Padmamma.
ಪದ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಹಿಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವುಡನ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್.
See, that's
ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು?
Lord, on the same day, my lord.
ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್?
Lord, initially, my lord, what's transpired is that,
ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ?
Please.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
please, 186, my lord.
31 R&S.
Crime number 186 of 24.
ಇದು 185.
Please. Lord,
Ah,
ink page,
185.
ink page 59, my lord,
Get the papers in both the cases.
please, my lord.
24th.
Kindly, my lord, since, my lord, initially, my lord, there was an injunction.
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, my lord.
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, my lord.
Please takes.
Lord, my humble submission is that, my lord, the accused number 1, my lord, he had filed a suit for injunction. Here, my lord, the children of the complainant, they had suffered a decree, my lord, before the civil court. Now, my lord, they have challenged the same before before this honorable court. Subsequently, my lord,
Is that a license to assault in the
no,
wooden
my lord,
club?
the complainant, my lord, she suppresses the same. She files a suit
It's all
before
right.
the rural court.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
It's shocking.
ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
No, it's, the attribute is not against me, my lord.
That we'll see.
Please.
Yes, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್. 24th.
No coercive steps.
ವೈ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ವಾ?
There's provisions of SC.
Atrocities ಇದೆ, correct?
Please,
Yes.
please.
Till such time, coercive steps shall not be taken against the petitioners.
Highly grateful.
Because it is atrocity, you won't get bail ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Please, my lord. Highly grateful.
Huh? 24/7. 24/7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಡೇಟ್ ನೀವು 24/7.
26.
My lord, I appear for petitioner. 498 and 34.
The petitioners are accused 3, 4 and 5. The offence alleged are the ones punishable under section 498A, inter alia. Noticing, the perusal at the complaint would not indicate even sprinkling offences against these petitioners. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, failing which it would run foul of Kashkan Kaushar. Udayata madam? Kashkan Kaushar. Yes, next.
227.
13(1)C.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ
ಇದು 24ಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನೆಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಪೇಜ್ 14.
ಅದೇ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 17.
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ,
ಅದು KAT ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಪೇಜ್ 60.
I will take it on 24th. All these matters are on 24th.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನಾಳೆ 16ಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಉಳಿದವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. List on 24, heard the learned senior counsel Jaykumar S. Patil appearing for the petitioner. The interim orders in these cases are not granted. However, the learned senior counsel submits that the very permission under section 17A is quashed by the Karnataka Administrative Tribunal. In that light, further proceedings before the concerned court shall be deferred till the next date of hearing.
Please.
List on 24th.
228.
Page, covered page. ಕೊಡಿ. Emergent.
Yes, Lord.
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
No, Lord,
Ah.
Lordship has followed the earlier judgments.
Madam. ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Respect to other accused person in the same case, Lordship.
Both the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner and the learned HCGP in unison would submit the issue in the list stands answered. Full quote ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅದ್ಲೇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
29.
Notice.
No additional charge sheet has been filed after 3 years, my lord.
Let me get the papers.
Please, my lord.
Learned HCGP is directed to secure the papers and place it before the court. 25th, 26th in the fresh matters list. Yes.
230.
Petitioner is accused number 9. Finding no ingredient of the offense against the petitioner, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, quay the petitioner till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice.
31.
2009 CC.
My lord, see, this is a split up order and same 7 matters squashed by the honorable last. There are 7 matters of.
Oh, those, okay.
Please, there are 2 more cases.
Madam, ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾರು individual. Same.
Please.
ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲದು.
Please.
Split up charge is 2005.
And accused number 4 is acquitted.
232.
23.
Lord, it's an NDPS matter. Medicinal tablets, my lord, was tried to be exported. It is, my lord, it is not a psychotropic substance, my lord, that it is a medicine. My lord, the sample, my lord, it is
Alzheimer's.
alprazolam, my lord, alprazolam.
Alprazolam can be used for 2 things.
Yes,
One as a sedative,
yes,
one as a psychotropic substance.
yes,
For what it is put into use is important.
yes. My lord, here it is for
It's a very
medicinal.
thin line
My lord, it is,
because it gives that sedation.
my lord, 2 aspects, your lordship. My lord, it is not a raw alprazolam which could be used for manufacture of medicine.
In what form is it then?
My lord, this is in tablet form. You lordship can see 92 page, my lord. It is in tablet form. Tablets are seized. My lord, page 92, your lordship is. Well, these are all the sample strips, my lord, which are pasted to the mahazar. My lord, 1 mg tablet, my lord, alprazolam it is. My lord, and another tramadol, my lord, it is.
No, tramadol is, it's a combination of paracetamol and.
Paracetamol.
Yes.
My lord, first item, my lord, it is in the form of a medicine. My lord, my contention here, my lord, once a manufacturer is permitted to use psychotropic substance for manufacture of medicine, my lord, once it has come out, my lord, as a medicine, my lord, it is governed by Drugs and Cosmetics Act and not, my lord, psychotropic substance.
Let me see.
My lord, they have, my lord, these petitioners, they have a license. They are the qualified license holders, my lord, that we have produced all the licenses.
What is the stage of the proceeding now?
Lord, now it is to hear before charge, your lordship.
Adike, hear before charge.
Yes,
I will hear the respondent before interim order. I'll take it tomorrow. Sir, one MN Kumar.
Lord, Mr. Amit Deshpande, he is
Where is he?
appearing for DRI. This is a case.
Is already entered appearance?
Already, my lord, it is.
No, MA not filed.
No, he has not filed, but he is appearing, my lord, since long time it is.
No, revenue intelligence,
But
he
this was
appears.
filed, your lordship, my lord, that.
It's an old matter actually. It
Old
should come up
matter,
for
my lord.
admission. Why did it come for fresh matters? Because he moved saying interim order is not there.
Not there, requested, my lord, to consider this.
I'll post it for admission itself on Friday. By then you intimate, heard the learned senior counsel Hasmat Pasha appearing for the petitioner. List this matter on Friday at 3:30 PM to hear the respondent as there is no representation on behalf of the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence.
Lord, another requirement is all these transactions, my lord, was in the name of a company and firm.
Company is not made a party.
Made a party.
Yes. We'll see. On Friday, sir.
And my lord, office may be directed to place, my lord, IA number 1, my lord, for additional grounds. We have filed
It is
in the office.
Bandirian.
Please.
It is there.
234.
Petitioner, connected matter. There is a stay.
ಅದು in-laws ಗೆ ಇದು
In-laws.
husband.
Please, please.
Connected matter ಇದಕ್ಕೂ connection ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes.
Lord, the offense is 498 DP 3 and 4.
Correct. You are the husband.
Please,
Yes.
Lord, suppressing the fact
What?
that she has gone through premature menopause
Who?
My wife. I was given in marriage.
Premature menopause.
Please, madam, please, madam.
I've heard of menopause. What is premature?
Premature menopause,
Ah,
with that condition,
ah,
she cannot procreate,
ah,
she cannot participate in sexual activity.
ah.
There is no consummation.
Hmm.
If your lordship were to turn to
Hmm.
page number 165, madam.
Hmm.
164,
What
165.
is the age of the wife?
Lord, the age of the wife is around 26 years, madam.
Premature menopause at 26?
Please, madam.
Yes,
Please.
sir.
Page number 165, madam.
Hmm.
If your lordship were to turn to page 165,
Then we'll have to hear the wife.
before that,
Hmm.
before that. This is the Mediclinic gynecology scan report
Scan report.
issued on 5/9/2020,
Hmm.
while the marriage took place on 6/2/2022. Saying
Why
that,
did you go and search that medical certificate?
Lord, she comes back after the marriage, she says, do not go through the release deed, because there were certain properties in my name, my father's name, and my mother's name.
What has that got to do with premature menopause?
One second,
Hmm.
1 second. She says, do not release. She had gone through premature menopause. We came to know that. We even took her to the Kaveri hospital in Bangalore. She was in Dubai. From Dubai, she comes to Bangalore. Then I suggest that I release everything to my father's name, because it is all owned by my father anyway. I am moving to Singapore. She agrees for 1 second to move to Singapore, but she says you cannot transfer anything into your father's name. You cannot release. And I book a ticket to go to Singapore along with her. Those tickets also I'll show. In spite of that, I go on 20th. On 21st, she files a complaint before the police. Then subsequently, if your lordship were to turn to page 252 for 1 second, my lord, I was summoned by the High Commission of India in Singapore. She files a complaint before.
Obviously, you were in Singapore then.
Lord, I went to Singapore on 20th, telling her there was a ticket that was booked for her
21st
to
is the
travel
crime.
on 29th, my lord, on 29th. And then she files a complaint. I go before the High Commission. I have given a detailed statement. The statement is on page number 252. For 1 second, if your lordship were to peruse, the statement on
Without
page.
hearing the other side, I am not going to grant any interim order.
Lord,
The interim orders granted to others are your in-laws against whom nothing is there, or your family members against whom nothing is there.
please, my lord.
So that will not inure to your benefit in this case.
Please, my lord. 1 second.
Let the wife come.
Only one para I would like to read. In that reply that is given to High Commission of India in Singapore, my lord.
That is your reply.
Lord, in that reply, I have clearly said, even before the police investigation, I have said she demanded for the property not to be released on my father. Purposefully, she has filed a complaint, and there is a
Sir,
ticket
you
that
will
is
say
booked.
everything, so what?
My lord, that is my reply. That is her complaint. She just makes allegations because she did not get the property. That's why I
That
want
is-
to read that one para.
That is her complaint, it
One
is your
para, my lord.
reply. Yes,
Page
sir.
number 252, it starts.
We'll see. Generally, you have success against, in favor of the husbands only after appearance of the wife.
Please, my lord,
So let the wife come.
no, let the wife come. Till such time,
Till such time, let the wife.
only one para. Only one para I'll read.
No, I don't want that much time to read one para. Till the wife comes, I can't keep reading that. Let the wife.
Two lines. Two
No.
lines I'll read. Lord,
List, when do you want it?
Lord, I'm ready whenever.
You are always ready. Wife should come.
One more submission, my lord. Lord, even the stay for the parents, it took almost 5 hearings. One submission that I have to
I
make
have
is,
taken 5 hearings to grant stay for parents.
no, not you. This court has taken 5,
Me.
not you. Vishwajit Shetty Sahibrand. Lord,
So agarad vacate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
note,
Yes.
Lord, the submission that I had made at that point of time, which I'm repeating here, is.
I don't know what you have made there. Why you repeat and again?
No.
Yes.
The reason I want to highlight this High Commission of India letter is, my wife is related to the former AG of this country. And MHA gets involved right after 1 day complaint. ಎಷ್ಟು 490 day ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ MHA ಅವರು ಫಾರಿನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೈ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸುಲೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಂಡನ್ ಕರೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ.
ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು. Yes. Reserve your energy after the wife comes.
Lord, I'm also going to submit a set of papers.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್
ದುಬೈ ಇಂದ
ಕೊಡಿ.
ತರಿಸಿರೋದು papers, certified copies.
ಪರ ನೀವೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೌಂಟರ್
ದುಬೈಯಿಂದ ತರಿಸಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ?
ಅದು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್. One
Next week.
HCGP two, next week.
Next.
One HCGP two emergent notice returnable by the 2nd of August, list on 2nd of August. Yes.
35.
Petitioner and second petitioner are the lecturer in APS college.
ತುಂಬಾ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪೇಜ್ 32 ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
That is a false allegation.
ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಸರ್.
Please. ದೋಷಾರೋಪ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯ ಕಾಲಂ ನಂಬರ್ 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾ,
ನಮೂದಿಸಿರುವ
ರಾಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಲುಗಳಿಂದ ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಗಾಯಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದು ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯಾಧಾರಗಳಿಂದ. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ವುಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್?
good certificate in page number
45.
41, my lord.
Ah.
41, serial number 41.
ಇಂಜುರೀಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
ಜುರುಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಇದೆ.
ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರೆ.
ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಬೀಳಿಸಿರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಜುಡಿಸ್ annexure D, my lord.
ಒನ್
is-
HCGP two emergent notice. ನಿಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು?
Annexure D, my lord.
ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್.
Please, sir.
Yes.
Annexure D. consider-
Returnable by 9th August. Yes.
236.
Lord, I appeal for the petitioner case.
307 ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ?
Against the husband, my lord, that is the
Yes, government.
case, my lord.
3 and 2 and 3 will stay.
Please,
There shall petitioners, husband, mother and sister are before this court calling in question proceedings in CC 1088 of 2023 registered for offence punishable under page annexure H, page 38. A perusal at the summary of the charge sheet would not indicate any offence against these petitioners for the ones punishable as alleged. All the offences are against the husband or others. There shall be therefore there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square these petitioners till the next date of hearing.
Great.
I'll take this on 24th. Let the investigation papers come.
There is one more matter which we have.
Kodi. Yen Srinivas?
I will take you.
Huh? ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. Yes. List on 24th in the fresh matters list, Leonard, which is that matter?
I've given.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, stay ಇಲ್ಲ. Fresh matter.
Yes, sir. Tag this petition along with so and so. List the matter on 24th, the petitioner HCGP to secure the investigation papers.
238.
Complaint is against the company and an individual is shown as the owner and then he's made as
Anyway,
accused.
63 Copyright Acts.
Page number 21, your lordships may kindly see the accused is Indosem Colors Private Limited.
Yes.
Page 21.
Company
Now-
is not a party?
Company is not a party.
Who are you?
Lords, I am one of the directors of the company. I was not even in charge of the affairs of the company. Section 69 of the act, lords.
The heard the learned senior counsel D.R. Ravi Shankar appearing. Early or not to be seen?
I'm very much here. lords.
ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
Very good.
The petitioner, the heard the learned senior counsel D.R. Ravi Shankar appearing for the petitioner. The learned senior counsel would take this court to the complaint so registered against one Indosem Colors Private Limited, and the company is not arrayed as an accused. The learned senior counsel would submit that there can be no vicarious liability for the offences under the IPC.
Lords, under the Copyrights Act.
Under the other 69 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
Section 69 is there.
vicarious liability under the Copyrights Act, as section 69 mandates the company to be a party to these proceedings. In the light of the said lacuna, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice.
Great.
39.
Yes, madam, you are not there. Deposit ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ವಿಡ್ರಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ as on 20th June.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Order
someone
passed.
who represented did not tell me that.
Apologies.
45,000.
45,000 has been deposited, it's been complied with.
ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Lord, there's a medical condition.
Medical condition, what happened?
The parents are very unwell.
Parents, the swan song husband will sing, so don't worry about that.
The finances ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ strain ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Another 45,000.
Lord, I'll take instructions from the client.
No,
You
no,
may
no.
kindly give some time to this
Condition
effect.
condition for extension of the interim order.
Lord,
Avattu, because FLW was pending, I have granted that order. You moved it at 2:30.
I agree, my lord.
Yes.
A short date may be given, my lord. I'll take instructions from the client.
Friday?
Friday, my lord.
List on Friday
Uh,
in the fresh matters.
Interim order may be extended until Friday.
On that day, I will not extend unless
I'll
you
take instructions.
come
I'm
with another 45,000.
also serving the copy, my lord,
What copy?
on the last occasion, they made a submission saying the copy has not
Copy
been
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
served.
ಈಗ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
Sari. List the matter on Friday in the fresh matters list. Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Much obliged.
So that day you seek instructions and come how
say-
much payment?
Indeed.
Yes.
Great.
240.
Madam. ಹೌದಾ? Yes, sir.
Bashing of endorsement, my lord, I belongs to scheduled caste, my lord, I have been sustained.
ಅಲ್ಲ and connected matter ಒಂದು why the allegation? ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಒಬ್ಬರದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು 107 ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಅದು
This atrocities case is not added ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ why? Said you will seek instructions.
So last occasions already instructed, my lord.
ಈಗ ಏನ್
Last have been instructed.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Short accommodation. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Yeah, we are coming. Stay ಬೇಕಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ list the matter on 24th as a last chance for the learned HCGP to comply with the order dated 2/7/2024. Yes, next.
Other would, my lord, regarding 107 proceeding have been initiated, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 15547 ನ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲ, 16340.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in 16340 of 2024. Yes, sir.
241.
Starter, I requested to have it today from the Friday.
Why, sir?
There is no interim order.
There is no interim order, but I have myself declined to grant interim order.
Please, my lord.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ my lord, I just take lordships, my lord.
No, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ lordship may kindly see
Sir,
the wound
come to
certificate.
page 24.
Please,
I
my
have
lord.
seen that only and said no interim order till they appear.
Please, my lord, but the wound certificate may just take lordship to the
Well-
wound certificate, page number 62.
ಏನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord, sir,
ಇಲ್ವೇ
page
ಇಲ್ಲ.
number 62, my lord, the wound certificate, lordship find it. My lord, the wound certificate, my lord, the opinion of the doctor, my lord, lordship may kindly see. It's a case of vomiting and diarrhea ante.
Vomiting and diarrhea.
Please, my lord, the date is also not mentioned.
ನೀವು
my lord. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈರಿಯಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಸೈನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಸೀಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಸೈನ್, my lord, the right side 17-1 ಇದೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ವಾಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈರಿಯಾ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ?
Even and victim belongs to same caste.
ಅದು day 2, my lord,
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್? Yes. List the matter for admission on 22nd August. Till such time further proceedings against the petitioner shall remain stayed.
deep low.
Yes.
242.
Appealing for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, the petitioner herein, my lord, accused number 4 and 5. My lord, the dispute between the complainant, accused number 1, 2, 3 with respect to the private dispute. My lord, the 4 and 5, my lord, is the accused number 1, 2, 3 gave a first complaint, my lord, on 20th.
Page 56.
Please, my lord, 55, my lord, 6 and 7 is the petitioner herein.
Yes.
Who are the witness, my lord?
Yes, sir.
My lord, in the charge sheet. My lord, the first.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ನಂತರ ಆರೋಪಿ 6 ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 2 ಕೈಯಿಂದ ತಲೆಯ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ನಂತರ ಆರೋಪಿ 1 ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಸೋಣಿಸು ಕೈಯಿನ ಹಸ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಗಿನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪದ ಗಾಯ. 6 ನೀವೇ ತಾನೆ?
No, my lord.
You are not,
My lord,
A6.
this annexure, my lord, this complaint, my lord
Page?
is, my lord, the FIR, my lord, is at page 21.
No, come
annexure
to
B.
page 32, sir.
Please, my lord.
Hmm.
32. My lord, this is the subsequent complaint. My lord, I have filed the wound certificate, my lord, at page 76, annexure N.
Hmm.
Annexure N.
How many complaints are there?
My lord, there are two complaints, my lord. One from accused number 123 is the first complaint. My lord, this is the challenge before, in this petition, my lord, is the second complaint the next day.
By whom?
My
By
lord, the
by the
Manjunath.
complainant.
Complainant, Manjunath.
Which
My
is,
lord,
which
his
is,
wound-
which is your complaint, sir?
My lord, my complaint.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
My lord, may I submit this, my lord?
Okay, your complaint is correct and that is wrong, is it?
No, my lord, I am the witness, my lord, who I am the neighbor of the accused number 1. My lord, when they come to Mazar, I state a witness. And then, my lord, in view of that, my lord, I have been implicated.
Enter the charge, where is the entire charge sheet material
My lord,
in both these cases?
Page number 55,
Hmm.
CW 6 and 7, the present petitioners, they are other witnesses, your lordships.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
Please, your lordships.
But they have also assaulted is the complaint.
my lord, one submission. The wound certificate may kindly be seen.
Page.
76 annexure N. Last page, my lord. Pain and tender around neck. My
Sir.
lord, above injuries is simple in nature. My lord,
Pain and tenderness over neck.
my lord, the above, my lord, whereas my lord, the accused number 1 wound certificate may kindly be seen, my lord, page 66, annexure K.
Hmm.
Page 66, annexure K. Linear cut wound right palm, abrasion in left eye, cornea left eye, abrasion nasal bridge, grievous and eyes are involved.
Grievous.
My lord, in fact, my lord, the police files, my lord, the first charge sheet in the counter complaint. Later on, they filed the charge sheet, my lord, in my complaint. I have been, my lord, I have filed only with respect to,
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು.
my lord, I have filed only this petition against accused number 4 and 5, my lord, for this reason.
The petitioners are accused 4 and 5. They are cited as Mazar witness in a crime registered by them against the complainant and others for having been assaulted. The learned counsel takes this court to the wound certificate of the wound inflicted upon the petitioner by the complainant. It depicts that the wounds suffered are grievous in nature. On the next day comes the crime registered against the petitioner by the complainant for identical offences. The police have filed charge sheet in both the cases. What merits entertainment at this juncture is the fact that the petitioners are accused number 4 and
4 and 5.
4 and 5 were Mazar witnesses 6 and 7. Therefore, 6 and 7. A contra wound certificate is also appended to the petition. The complainant is said to have suffered tenderness in the neck. Therefore, the very act of registering the complaint against these petitioners appears to be as a counterblast to what the petitioners had registered against the complainant, in which they had suffered grievous injuries. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings quae the petitioners till the next date of hearing.
Grateful.
Yes, next.
43.
Petitions. Initially, a petitioner filed a PCR before this trial court. Execution given.
No emergent notice to the respondent. Next.
44.
Why contractor was deleted, madam? Last time, the petitioner is the owner of the premises in which the mishap happens. The contractor who was engaged to perform the work has been deleted from the array of accused while filing the charge sheet, while the owner is retained. The learned additional SPP
I'll secure your lordships.
to secure instructions as to why why the contractor has been let off the hook while filing the charge sheet. Till such time, further proceedings quae the petitioner shall remain stayed.
45.
AE 304A, I will need your
Lordships.
in these, there are about 7-8 matters today. all of BESCOM, all assistant executive engineers, you said that it does not amount to an offense in terms of what
Not for-
the
yeah, my lords,
coordinate benches
Yes, not the reason is this.
considered.
Under the Electricity Act,
Hmm.
there is a safety regulations framed. Safety regulations has designated an authority to inspect and to report as to what are all the safety
So
measures
to
which is
see
required
this,
to be taken.
today
It's
there
very-
are about
I
10
understand.
cases of this kind. Everywhere people are dying because of the wires being left completely unattended to, and they stamp on it or do whatever it is. Is it not the responsibility of the BESCOM?
There is a reason, my lords, if your lords want
BESCOM
to
to
see,
at least know what is happening where.
they have
Sitting in the air conditioned chambers, if you let these people die
certainly. my lords.
on them stamping the loosely laid wires anywhere and everywhere.
What happens, I just wanted to say this.
Yes. And on technicalities, you escape.
No, this is the precise question which was gone into.
Hmm.
There are several lines which are laid from time to time.
Hmm.
Notes, there is something called as high impedance fault and low impedance fault. Now, the breakage of the electricity, notes there is a tripping system. Notes everything, once a wire is connected from one grid to a particular connection, throughout there are safety measures which are undertaken, which is in the nature of tripping. Now, when the tripping equipments are procured by the authorities, what kind of tripping equipments are procured by the authorities is the question. Notice the prescription for procuring the equipments is already provided for in the tender documents itself. So those are the kind of equipments which are installed. Now what happens? There may be cases where there is something called as this high impedance fault, where the flow of voltage into the tripping system is not what is conducive for the tripping system to trip. This is exactly what happened in the present case. Once the wire had cut, there's a requirement of a particular voltage getting into the tripping unit. These tripping units are installed in accordance with the technical specifications with which the lines are drawn. That is essentially what the report says. So now what the electrical inspectorate says is you need to upgrade it. Kindly have a look at page 52. This is essentially what has been said. That wherever the equipments are installed, these are all in accordance with the specifications. Now, if everything is there in accordance with the specifications and maintenance is made, then anything which is over and above the capacity of these equipments are certain things which you can't blame the officers.
But who is responsible?
Notes, it will be the highest of the authorities, notes, where they are the ones who will procure these equipments. We are not the policy makers. Notes, we are only in the process of operation and maintenance. Executive engineers comes in the...
Is not the O&M department responsible for all this?
Notes, operation and maintenance is concerned. What comes into operation and maintenance is already provided for by the stores department and the procurement department. Notes, in the highest of the authorities who calls for the tender, they would have already said what needs to be put into each of the poles. If it is not put,
technicality is a part, responsibilities.
Responsibility.
Accountability, responsibility.
Accountability will be at the highest of the affairs minutes of this, because it starts from the managing director and the board. They will take the policy decision what needs to be put where, because they are purely the technical persons. Even my suggestion is not invited for the purpose of asking what should be done. Whatever is provided, the scope of my duty is to maintain it. And there is no default on my part. If a twig falls and the line snaps and falls down, then there is a tripping. Usually what happens, if the flow of voltage is high, then there is no difficulty, the tripping takes place. If the flow of voltage is very low, it is not within the realm of the tripping equipment which is procured. Procurement takes place at the end of the board and the managing director.
Let's see, there are about 10 matters today. All BESCOM, I'm not granted interim order in anything. I have posted it on 23rd in the fresh matters list.
Very well.
I will tag this along with all that. So we'll have your assistance on that. On 23rd.
Please.
Because somebody should be accountable for
I
this.
understand, my lords.
See, lives are being lost casually by stamping on the wires.
Now,
who is responsible?
That is true, my lords. Under the Electricity Act, what they have done, this is one of the core issues which came about when they were inviting the tenders for operation and maintenance. They permitted even the manpower agencies to provide for this manpower.
In that
Yes, and ultimately, my lords, this honorable court found no fault with the procurement of manpower for the technical things, when the licensing rules provided that only the licensed contractor should be done. One of the reasons which we said was that once a licensed contractor has installed it, then he becomes responsible under the act for the purpose of whatever defaults that take place. Now, the manpower is required to be trained by the executive engineer and the assistant engineer, and those are the people who had to do it. But now the latest change, my lords, is that they have realized after all these things have taken place, they have again reverted back saying that only the licenses. But the biggest problem, my lords, is what needs to be procured and put in place is decided as a policy decision, my lords, on the basis of the
But we'll see.
recommendations of the electrical
No,
inspectorate.
we'll consider the root of the problem also. On 23rd, I'll take all these matters.
Lordships, there is one more matter, my lords.
Kodi, ella kodi.
17579 of 24.
Adu adena?
Same.
Tag
Arising
this-
out of the same FIR.
Tag this petition along with,
579.
tag all these petitions. Ade kodtini numbers ella kodtini. Ivattu 10 ide. All these petitions along with this petition and list them all in the fresh matters list on Tuesday.
Please, my lords.
That day we will consider.
Lordships.
Yes.
246,
In the meantime,
47,
Godagata madam.
What?
In the meantime, yes. Same.
47, please, my lords. Deficiency of service, my lord.
Next. 354. Allah Bakash.
My lords, connected with 251, my lords. May I mention, my lords?
Disposed. Yes. 349, 249. Trivikram. Why are
Please,
you on
my
the
lords.
list? You're all right.
I am now all right, my lords.
Yes. Next.
249. My lords, my son, my lords, was implicated.
Intermodal granted, sir. Yes. Love, he is Trivikram. Yes.
51 is connected, madam, lords.
I know, sir. Ad banda
Great.
geli. Yes.
Great.
My lords, my son, my lords, was implicated in an FIR for abducting, my lords, a minor child and thereafter marrying her.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
My lords, subsequently, my lords, in the remand application, my lords, I am shown as an accused, saying that on the day
Your
when
son, sir.
the complaint, my lords, which is a clear description of the entire incident, does not even make a whisper
Yan
about my
investigation ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ madam?
lordships have to
Get
check
it.
your records. Your lordships.
List on 23rd in the fresh matters list. ಅವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಹೊಡುವ. ಏನ್ urgency ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Well, I am a senior citizen. I am unable to travel anywhere. The police.
Bail
my lords-
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
Allah, we have not moved the bail, my lords.
Move, sir.
Allah, your
ಹೋಗಿ
lordships
bail
may-
move
my
ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ
lords,
ಅಂತೀರಾ?
my lords, your lordships may kindly consider. It's a graphic complaint, my lords. The entire incident is narrated in the complaint. And after 1.5 months, my lords, of the investigation, in the remand application, my lords, a fresh statement is introduced saying that on the date of the incident, I was also there.
There's no bar. We'll see. Yes. Yes, madam.
No, my lords, what?
On Thursday.
I'm ready.
Yes. ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Thursday.
Very well.
Yes. Fresh matters list.
250,
Petitioner. May I request to take up this matter on Thursday?
CC of 2013, sir.
But
What
instead of
ground
further
now?
investigation, they have conducted a de novo
Sorry?
investigation. Instead of after the retransfer, my lord,
Stage ಏನಿದೆ sir?
stage is now, it's
Evidence.
evidence.
I am not interfering.
And also we have filed application.
Charges frame ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ I am not interfering.
And
Yes.
kindly have it on Thursday.
Dispose, no, sir. Thursday again for dismissal only.
Senior assistant.
Then parvai. Let not the blame be on you. Yes. List on 1st August in the fresh matters list. Yes.
51,
151,
Same,
please, my lords.
same,
Connected.
249 the same. 240?
7.
247, yes.
Yes.
In the meantime.
52,
Challenges.
Third
for the
learned
imposition.
senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner calls in question the 148 allied.
Please, my lords.
The proceedings before an order dated so and so of a proceeding before the appellate court directing deposit of 20% of the amount as a subject as a condition precedent for suspension of sentence. The said condition runs foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Jambu Bandari versus so and so 2023 10 SCC ಏನಿದೆ 520 ಏನಿದೆ madam?
446.
446, yes, so and so. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Grateful.
Yes, sir.
Connected matter was supposed to be listed today.
direction was there.
ಹಾ
It was not listed, my lord. To be linked, the common order.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Petition in this case.
The Insecticides Act. Sampling, you have done it at the private laboratory and not at the state laboratory. That is contrary to the act. The petitioner, emergent, the additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ಸ್? ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ವಾ? 253 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಏನಿದೆ? ಸಾರಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್.
ಮತ್ತೇನು? ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್?
No, only thing is.
I am telling what you have pleaded in the petition.
Please, my lord.
Correct.
Yes, the only thing is they have not followed as per the.
That's what I am also telling.
There are.
Why
other-
are you surprised? I am only asking who is the respondent. Additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the
It's
respondent.
not shown as a party, your lordship.
Madam, insecticide inspector, agricultural director, ಯಾರ್ ನೀವೇ? ಅವರು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್.
ನೀವೇ ಅಪಿಯರ್. Insecticides, you are agriculture officer, you are the agriculture officer, madam. See, you are the competent officer under the Insecticides Act.
Copy has not been seen, sir. Third, that's why it's not shown.
Because of
ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
copy serve.
Copy sir.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇರ್ಲಿ.
Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the additional SPP. We list the matter on 21st August in the fresh matters list. Till such time further proceedings in CC 4701 of 2023 shall remain state.
1945523.
Like this petition along with
1945523.
so and so on 21st, same. Next.
254.
For petition, this only allegation is that, my lord, in conference call, they verbally scolded my
No,
lord.
ಅಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ come to page 40. sir.
Please, my lords, in the this one, my lords, FIR, page number 40, my lords. My lords, ಪಿರ್ಯಾದದರ ಮಗನು.
FIR ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Please, my lord, in the FIR, my lords, page number 40.
ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು.
My lords, that's against the other petitioners, my lords.
ನೀವು who which accused are you?
My lords, the accused number.
3, 4,
You are 3, 4, 5,
3, 4,
6.
5, 6, my lords.
Come to page 40 again.
Please, my lords. ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಗುಪ್ತಾರವರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಏಕೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಎಂದು ಅವಾಚ್ಯ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಿಂದ ಬೈದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
The allegations found of assault are against the other accused in a proceeding registered for offense punishable under so and so. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay qua these petitioners till the next date of hearing.
Please.
5.
The petitioner is the husband. Husband.
Counter blast
The
complaint.
petitioner is the husband. A perusal at the summary of the charge sheet as obtaining in column number 17 would not indicate any offense that would become the ingredient of the offenses so alleged against the husband even. Permitting further proceedings against the husband would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Achin Gupta versus so and so 23 SSC on 24 SSC online SC page 759. Yes, next. There shall be an interim order of stay. So on.
My lords, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lords. The matter is wrongly.
Serve on the respondent, sir, NDPS.
My lords, matter is wrongly posted before your lordship. my lords.
Wrongly posted before me, why?
Please, my lords. Petition filed by the co-accused is allowed by the coordinate bench. Petition filed by the co-accused, my lords, allowed by the coordinate bench. my lords.
Post used to coordinate.
Oh, post before the bench, the postal parcel there.
Idರಲ್ಲಿ
No, my lords. Consumption.
their allegation was that while taking a urine sample, section 53 is not complied. 52 is not complied. Then in fact, I argued that matter and I said section there.
Hello, ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Ali, I argued that matter and said that collection of sample is not an NDPS Act under CRPC. Section
Correct.
53 mandates collection of samples. Unfortunately, subsequently, when somebody else has
ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ
appeared,
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮರಳಿ ಯತ್ನವ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹೌದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ
Let's post the matter before the bench which decided the issue again, the other accused in the light of the circular so and so on, circular ಇದೆ madam, post office.
Great.
Yes.
257.
110 in the meantime, yes. Next.
58.
The complainant has filed two complaints, one before the Thorakere police.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. You have said so many things, no documents are there.
No, my lord. I have filed the
379
arbitration
ತಾನೆ?
proceeding documents also.
Prerana Motors. So what is this, Tata Finance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes sir.
He filed two complaints.
Which are those complaints?
One complaint before Thorakere police.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Thorakere not produced that complaint.
Produce everything, sir. Petitioner to place on record all the documents to all the documents that he has pleaded in the petition by the next date of hearing. On next Monday?
Please, my lord.
Next Monday in the fresh matters list. ಅಷ್ಟೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಫೈಲಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿ ಅದು.
Please, please.
59.
That's a counter case. There is a check bounce case which is pending against the very same check.
So what?
My lord, 2016, he says that his check was,
So what?
my lords, therefore, my lords, it's a counter blast. There is,
Ah,
my lords, 2016, he seems to have lost the check, he says.
correct.
And 2017, very same check, my lords, we have filed a check bounce case which is pending.
You have stolen the check.
My lords, we have not stolen the case. That is not their contention, my lords. And 2016, he says, yes, we have stolen the case. 2017, legal notices has been issued. He has received, he's participating in the 138 proceedings, my lords. He has been continuously, and now the matter is in the evidence stage. And that is when he has filed his case in 2023.
So what, madam?
My lords, after 7 years.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The complainant in the case at hand has a transaction with the petitioner. This leads the petitioner before the concerned court for offense punishable under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act in CC 26509 of 2017. The matter is now at the stage of evidence. Realizing that the accused adರಲ್ಲಿ,
Yes, sir.
realizing that the accused would not succeed in the said case, has sought to register a crime in crime number 213 of 2023 for offences punishable under section 406 and 420 and 379 of the IPC, alleging that it is a stolen check. It is too late in the day for the complainant to contend that the check was stolen, as it is an incident that has happened 6 years ago. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Yes.
1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. Yes.
60.
7A synopsis ಹಾಕಿ, I'll take it on ಯಾವತ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು? 7 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 19th. Yes. But file synopsis, otherwise I will not take. Yes.
61.
It's appearing for the petitioner.
Till the next date in the meantime. Date ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Atrocities Act. Yes. List on 9th August. 9th, but 8th August.
62.
Kashkan accused 2, 3 and 4. Next.
That's if they were to participate in
Hey, Badwa.
that's the accused one.
Accused 1 na. 2, 3 and 4. Gautam, ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Please,
498 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Please, minutes.
Accused number 2, 3, 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Please, minutes.
Interim
And
order.
including accused 1 to 4.
No.
Minutes. If they were to participate, minutes, in the mediation, minutes.
If you have to participate, husband should not be granted stay. He will never participate.
No, minutes. He's ready, minutes. They are not.
No
They are not
problem.
appearing.
Cease.
Minutes.
3 and 4.
Please.
Yes.
63.
Of the appointment condition, my lord.
CC of 2018, why is that?
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 2024
10th reject ಆಗಿದ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ.
discharge. This I appeal this court.
Date.
I approach this court, there is no case and I file an application before the forum. Annex D, kindly see the Annex D.
Right.
The
Discharge date ಏನು ಸರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್?
discharge,
ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು?
April 25/4/2024. Charge frame ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. I am appearing for the accused number.
ಎಸ್. ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇನೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. I am appearing 29th ಇದೆ. 29th of this month ಇದೆ.
ಎಸ್.
This court, my lord, when page number 85, my lord. Kindly see.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Hold that the reason for the delay in the further proceeding before, during the affair stage, he is approached before this court, my lord. This court observed that there is no case, my lord. And
There's no case for you.
No. The reason for the delay in the 3 years of delay, my lord.
Yes.
The reason for the delay for further proceeding before the trial court is not known. In any event, if the contention of the London Council are to be addressed, it would.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿ application ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಎಸ್.
And even under the Competition Act, my lord, section 3, my lord, any condition which is.
Charge sheet in the petition is before this court sounds. The charge sheet in the case at hand is filed in the year 2018. Though it is 6 years old, what merits entertainment of the petition is that the order of the concerned court declining to discharge the petitioner from the area of accused, having been passed on 29/4/2024. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is 3 years delay in filing the complaint, which is not explained. He would further take this court to the order passed by this court on an earlier occasion when the crime was challenged, where the observation is that there is delay and no case for. Agunta adರಲ್ಲಿ?
It would appear that no case is made out against the petitioner.
No, wherein this court has observed that no case is made out against the petitioner. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings only if the charges are not framed as on today. Yes, next.
64.
164.
Connected matter.
Serial number 264. Statement 164 delli.
Connected matter ನಾಳೆಗಿದೆ.
ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Accused number 3 man.
ಆಯ್ತು, list tomorrow.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ family member of the accused number
Tomorrow.
2.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 164 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತರಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಹರೀಶ್
ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ SPP ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಬಂದಿದೆ 164
ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್
ಇದು
ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಕೇಸ್ yes petitioner here in this accused
ಅದು ಕೇರಳ, ಅದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಅದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಬೇರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ Mr. ವಿವೇಕ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ was not
ಗೊತ್ತು. He is not there today.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ.
I have submitted the copy to.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, tomorrow.
But in so far as this petitioner is concerned, my lord,
advocate.
please, well, here, my lord, this petitioner is, my lord, family member of the accused number 2.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆವರೆಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ ಏನೀಗ.
65.
For petitioner,
Where is the compromise?
the compromise not,
If you have not produced, I will not grant.
the compromise, divorce not, after getting divorce not.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Divorce not, I page my annexure.
Divorce was on a compromise.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು divorce out ಮೇಲೆ husband and wife they got divorce.
ಅದು ಆಯ್ತು.
Second respond. But after getting divorce in the year 2017, my lord, then my lord, what happens? Mother filed the OS suit, my lord, against the.
In the meantime, yes.
66.
It's appearing for the petition. What's the offense?
First two ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Yes, ma'am.
First two complaints of
Lord's
attempt.
NCR,
NCR.
it is closed. And now after.
The complainant on 2 occasions wanted to register crime against the petitioners. Both the attempts fail as NCR a non-cognizable report comes to be registered on account of the fact that it was a family dispute. Third attempt is made by registering the complaint invoking section 200 of the CRPC before the learned magistrate. In the light of the aforesaid fact, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioners till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice.
267.
Charge sheet file ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, HCGP. ನೋಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
It's a civil dispute, it was.
I know sir, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. OS ಏನು?
OS number
283 of 22.
22
Yes.
for partition and separate petition.
The petitioners, the petitioner and the complainant are before the civil court in a dispute in OS 283 of 2022, and on the same cause of action has sought to set the criminal law into motion by registering a crime at the same time. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings quay the petitioners till the next date of hearing.
68.
ಏನ್ 195 ಬಾರಾ? ಅದು ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ತಗೊಂಡಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾರ್, ಎಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್. ಅದು ಮೂರು ಸೇಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂರು? ಮೂರಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Though the offenses alleged, ಮೂರಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Though the offenses alleged are the ones punishable under the the offense alleged is the one punishable under section 188 of the IPC. As an amalgam with other offenses, the permitting further proceedings against the petitioners would would be contrary to section 195 of the CRPC and the judgment rendered by the apex court in the case of Hema Reddy versus so and so 1981 2 SCC page 585. Therefore, there's 185. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings quay the petitioners till the next date of hearing.
72.
All four ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು. ಫೋರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
271.
ಯಾಕೆ ಫೋರ್? ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
All different CC Marital.
Oh, that Harish murder. Yes. Okay.
72.
ಸರ್, ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಹರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್?
ಎಸ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಗಾಬರಿ. ಬಟ್
My lord,
no
kindly,
reason to smile. Page 34.
please.
Yes, sir.
My lord, kindly, the three statements, my lord. First is the complaint, page number 14. My lord, 4-line complaint. It says that, my lord, ಇವನಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಇವನ ತಂದೆ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಭೂತಿ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಿತೀಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ನನ್ನ ಜಾತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. This is the only complaint. Then, my lord, 161 statement has been given. Page number 36. My lord, in entire para, there is no reference of the petitioner. In last, the next page, my lord, from the last 5th line. ನಂತರ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಭೂಪತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಯತೀಶ್ ಬಾಬುರವರು ಬಂದು ನೀನು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಅದೇ ಹೇಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀಯ, ನಾಳೆ ನೀನು ಇರುತ್ತೀಯ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ತೆಗಿತೀಯ, ನೋಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದರು. Then, my lord, kindly come to 164. That is page number 40. My lord, in the entire statement, there is no reference at all.
ಆರೋಪಿ ಮೂರು.
Please.
ದವರು ಬಂದು ನೀನ್ ಯಾರೋ ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ಅವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ಕಾವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಕೇಳು ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೈದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಾತಿ ನಿಂದನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀನು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಗೆ ತೆರೆಯಲು ಬಂದಾಗ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Except, my lord, that line. My lord, they purposely involved the name of the petitioner for the simple reason that, my lord, he was an ex-Grama Panchayat member, and, my lord, he helped the accused, one, to file a case before the civil court. To
HCGP, 2 emergent notice.
My lord, absolutely there is no involvement, my lord, in
Absolutely
3
no case for
statements,
it.
except only taking name, my lord, no description that what she has done. It is only at the instance of the owner. They both of them, my lord, the petitioner is not at all in the whole episode. He only helped the accused number 1 to file the suit.
We'll see. Dismiss ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ನೋ ಏನು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಬರೀ ಹೆಸರಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ
ಹೆದರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್
ಗುಣಗಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್.
273.
serve on Madhukar Deshpande.
Please, similar matter, my lord.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಾ? ಕೊಡಿ.
They have already discharged me in the predicated offense.
Tag this petition along with so and so. There shall be an interim order of stay in the light of an interim order subsisting in the companion petition. Accounts, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Learned counsel Madhukar Deshpande is there. ನೀವು ಇಡಿಗೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ?
Jaikar City.
Learned counsel Madhukar Deshpande is directed to accept notice for the respondent. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಜೈಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ is directed to accept notice for the respondent.
Please. Great.
74.
The petitioner, my lord, sir.
Why sub-registrar?
Kindly pass over, my lord, sir.
Why sub-registrar and kindly pass over? Passed
My
over
lord,
by
I'm here,
1
my
week.
lord. I'm sorry, my lord.
Passed over by 1 week, 22nd.
My lord, my lord, kindly, my lord. I'm here, my lord. My lord, I have, my lord, the mortgage deed was executed, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the mortgage was paid and a deed of discharge of mortgage was presented before me, my lord. My lord, I have only registered the deed of discharge of mortgage deed.
No, that is why are you arrayed as accused?
My lord, because the complainant says that he has a private dispute between the mortgager and himself, and therefore I should not have registered the discharge of mortgage deed. SBI should not have presented, I should not have registered. That is the allegation.
The petitioner is accused number 9. The sub-registrar who registers a document that is bought before it by the State Bank of India. The allegation is that the bank and the complainant has a dispute between themselves. Therefore, the sub-registrar should not have registered the document. This runs counter to plethora of judgments rendered by this court with regard to the job of the sub-registrar to register the document whenever it is bought before him. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings by the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
I'm deeply obliged.
Much obliged.
Where are you?
My lord, I was
Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord. Help.
3% ಗೂ ಕೇಸಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಕ್ಷ ಚೆಕ್?
8 ಲಕ್ಷ.
3%.
More aspect.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
24,000.
ನಾನು ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮಲೋಡ್, ಈಸ್ ಏಜ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 78.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏಜ್ಗೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ is concerned ಮಲೋಡ್. Last may kindly see ಮಲೋಡ್ in page number 14.
Then serve on the respondent.
But complaint.
Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings.
Till then not, because he is
3% ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
gangrene ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಲೋಡ್. National award winning teacher ಮಲೋಡ್. You watch me kindly see the government of the complaint. Case of the complaint is that ಮಲೋಡ್ transaction is between his.
ನೋಡುವ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ agreement ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡುವ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Till then ಮಲೋಡ್ kindly.
Till then ಇಲ್ಲ. List on 26.
What had happened? One more complaint was filed before Tiptur court. He has to attend 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ evidence.
ಚೆಕ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂತ?
I have given a complaint. Forcefully ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. Immediately I filed a police complaint.
List on 25th, 26th.
Till then.
Fresh matters list. Till then 26th. Yes.
76.
Shanti Bhushan sir, I may have to look into the investigation papers before granting anything.
Lord, the complaint is, the petitioners are none other than the sister-in-law and brother-in-law of the complaint. Lord, it so happened.
Let him get the investigation papers.
Yes.
Crime is registered on 1/5/24. Yen investigate ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. List on Thursday, the fresh matters list.
Great.
4 o'clock. Yes. Heard the learned counsel H. Shanti Bhushan appearing for the petitioner.
Great.
Learned additional SPP is directed to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court.
Great.
Orders 277. No.
My lord, in this charges framed, my lord, and
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
277. and
ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Yes. Third time listed, my lord.
Third time listed. Third time ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸರಿ. The learned HCGP and instructions would submit. Charges are already framed and the matter is at the stage of evidence. Therefore, in the light of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Meenakshi Bala so and so, entertainment of the petition under 482 at this juncture is not warranted. Therefore, the petition stands disposed.
78,
Same, my lord. In this also charges
Same
framed.
order.
79,
My lord, in this is already been discharged, my lord, by virtue of a
The-
discharge
The
application.
learned HCGP on instructions would submit that the petitioner is already discharged by the concerned court. In that light, the petition is rendered infructuous and disposed as having become infructuous.
1 week time.
1 week time.
Only one documents which we have.
Correct discharge ಏನು?
Please, my lord, I have
ಬಿಡಿ
Only one
ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್
document.
ಆಗಿದಾರಂತ ಈಗ
Discharge
ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Documents, my lord.
Yes.
80,
Lord, this is for cancellation of anticipatory bail, my lord, granted. Petitioner being the de facto complainant has filed this,
ಅದು 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
pending ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ.
Now charge sheet is also filed, my lord. This was during the
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್
pendency of
ಬೇಲ್
the
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
investigation.
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, regular bail is
ಮತ್ತೆ
already.
ಇದೇನು cancellation? The petition calls in question an order of the concerned court granting anticipatory bail to the respondent accused. The complainant is before this court. The learned HCGP on instructions and verification of the records would submit that that charge sheet has already been laid before the concerned court and the accused is enlarged on grant of regular bail. In that light, the petition is rendered infructuous by efflux of time and therefore is disposed as having become infructuous.
281,
ಏನು charges framed? 281 charges framed.
My lord, in this 281, my lord, it is disposed of, my lord. He has pleaded guilty before the trial court.
The learned HCGP submits that the complainant petitioner has pleaded guilty before the concerned court and the matter itself is disposed. In that light, the petition is disposed as having become infructuous.
282,
Charges framed, my lord, and evidence has commenced.
Same. Latif,
283,
Same, my lord, in this charges framed evidence.
same order.
284, charge.
This also, my lord, charges framed and it is set on for evidence.
Same order.
285, withdrawal memo.
In terms of the memo.
286,
Now, my lord, it is set on for arguments on main arguments, my lord.
Charges are framed.
Charges framed, evidence completed, now.
Yes,
we are
same
Agent
order.
of the.
Disposed. Next.
In this FIR is challenged, my lord, but withdrawal.
In terms of the memo.
288,
Petitioner, madam.
Charges framed and evidence, my lord.
Case and counter case, my lordship. The.
Evidence ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 482. Yes, next.
madam,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದಲ್ಲ. Yes, next. ಅದು
289,
5th time office objection is not complied with. Next.
289,
My lord, 289 is set on for a recording 313 statement on 16/7.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
Yes, same. ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಬಾಲ. ಪಲ್ಲವ.
290 set.
290 ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Yes.
91, charges.
291, my lord, charges framed and evidence is commenced, my lord.
Humble
PW1
submission.
is already.
Yes, sir.
My lord, accused and complainant are the relatives and there is a family civil disputes. Number of cases are pending in this.
What to do, sir? You tell me.
Exemption may be granted for the senior citizens. My lord.
ಅದೊಂದು.
And my application to recall and further cross examination.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೇನಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ಚೀಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ.
ದಿ ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಬಾಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಂಕ್ಚರ್ ವುಡ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೋದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂದಲ್ಲ.
The learned council would submit that in view of the advancing age of the petitioners, they be permitted to, they may be exempted from appearance before the concerned court. If that be so, the petitioners are at liberty to file applications before the concerned court seeking exemption from appearance, and the concerned court shall pass necessary orders in accordance with law.
Time bound.
Ordered accordingly.
Time bound.
ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು?
2018 ಮೊದಲು.
18.
ಹೌದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
CCS ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು?
20.
Can't burden. ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸಾಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 3-4
ನೋಡ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ,
3 months
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
292, post note. 93,
The grievance, my lords,
ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರೀವೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಈಗ.
My lords, office objections are complied, my lord. There is one office objection which I have not stitched the IA separately, my lords. I am ready, my lords.
A stitch in time.
My
You should
lords.
do it. sir.
My lords, the urgency, my lords.
No, sir. In urgency.
My lords, we have been,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಿಚಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ.
I may be permitted to.
ಕೊಡಿ. What is the urgency?
My lords, we have been issued summons, my lords, without giving a notice. FIR has been lodged, my lords.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ FIR ಮುಂಚೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಮಾಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. We are residing.
ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಮಾಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. We are residing in our own land, my lords. They have filed a trespass case, my lords. My lords, wide annexure E, my lords, from the.
Lest accepting the submission of his objections overruled. List the matter tomorrow in the fresh. Tomorrow ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಾ? Fresh matters list. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಜಾರು?
Great.
ಹಾ.
Admission 296. 94, 95.
I represent under petitioner. My lord, there are in 21 accused. My lord, your lordships have passed the proceedings against 17 accused. My lord, during the pendency of the my lord.
ಇವ್ರು A1
I am A1, my lord. And
ಕಾಲ್ಟನ್ ಟವರ್
ಹೌದು
A1
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇರ್ಲಿ
I am
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡು.
I am
List on Friday at 3:30 PM for dictating orders. A4 ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಹಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾ?
Yes, your lordship, I am appearing for the petitioners.
This is the one you are saying 297 won't reach, give me time.
Your lordship, my son is in the hospital, for which I could not wait up to evening for mentioning. Somehow I managed to come for the VC only.
No, don't worry, madam. When do you want it?
No, I am ready right now, your lordship.
You're ready? Yes. Who appears for the respondent? What's the proceeding?
Your lordship, in two of the petitions, only the respondents, and in one the third petition, I made state also as respondent number 2.
Wait. List the
Yes,
matter
your lordship.
on 23rd in the fresh matters list. Look into the matter and come. Government?
Please, my lord.
Yes.
98.
Yes, Shankar.
My lord, PCR has been filed against 5 accused. These accused names is not found in the complaint. While filing a charge sheet, my lord,
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
PCR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only against
ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
5 accused. And these accused, my lord, are nothing to do with the transaction land disputes between the complainant and my lord A1 to A5.
We have already directed the matter to be listed for admission. ಇವತ್ತೇನಕ್ಕಿದೆ? Admission ಗೆ ಇರೋದ?
Admission ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್.
First time.
Is accused number 9 is working at the aerospace laboratory.
Aerospace.
House. And accused number 11, my lord, is working at.
List on 23rd in the fresh matters list.
Meanwhile, stay.
Meanwhile, 23rd. ಅವತ್ ಕೊಡು. Yes.
19.
Yes, my lords.
ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ಲೋ ಮೋಷನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತೆಗೀರಿ ಸರ್?
Yes, my lords. The government was asked to get the documents, my lords.
Yes, government. Investigation papers.
I'll secure, my lord. 323.
ಇದಾಗಲಿ 4 ಡೇಟ್
Secured.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
I'll secure, my lord.
FIR is very clear, my lords. The incident was in 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ they have registered in FIR. Page number
ಮರಣಾಂತಕ ಹಲ್ಲೆ. ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗಿರೋದು ಮರಣಾಂತಕ ಹಲ್ಲೆ?
They claim 13/11/2021
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವುದದು?
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22 ಸರ್. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22. 22. ದಿನಾಂಕ 13/11/2021 ನನ್ನ ಸೊಸೆ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾರವರು ಆಕೆಯ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ವಿಜಯ ಮತ್ತು
ಹೂವಿನ ಕೊಂಡವನ್ನು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 4423 ಅದೇನು
4420 my lords, this is an FIR registered after we
ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಇಬ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ secure the investigation papers 23rd last time ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ.
It has already come up 4 times, my lords.
ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
yes sir fresh matters 23rd in the fresh matters list. ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ರೈಸ್ ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಲ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಇದೆ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
serial number 303.
303 yes sir.
2 days, my lord.
No, 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 no. This is 6th time, 7th time ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು. No, don't ask
ಅದು
time.
SC ಆಗಿದೆ sir.
ಏನಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes. Next.
300
File an application.
307 my lord.
307 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ 138 ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ನೆಗೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ನೋ, ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7th ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು ನಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಬಾದರ್ಡ್. ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು ನಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ 233 ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್.
Petition is by my lords the bike taxi riders and their association.
ಓ ಇದು ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ದಾ?
ಆ court.
ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನೀಗ?
Lords, now what has
ನಾಳೆನೆ
happened?
ಬರ್ಲಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್?
Lords, what is happening is they are now seizing. If your lordship kindly come to the interim order which has been granted by this court.
Page.
In my lords, please come to page 61, my lords. Running page 61. There are 3 writ petitions. In all 3 writ petitions, there are orders by my lords Ola, Uber and Rapido. These are 3 apps, my lords, aggregators.
60?
Running page 61, my lords. I am showing the interim order.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Your lordships will see the respondents are restrained from taking any coercive action against petitioner or any of its assets.
ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ lords, there was a contempt filed because they were trying to interfere. In the contempt, they filed an affidavit, will not take any coercive action.
Page.
Lords, that affidavit, we have got it now in the contempt which they filed. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ please see annexure J.
ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್?
Lord, they dropped it because taking the affidavit on record. Drop ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
Seriously?
In that, para 4 and page 2. They said they are not taking any action, coercive action, nothing.
Para 4?
Of the affidavit, my lords, filed by them at page 2.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
Now, my lords, annexure J, we had also filed a writ petition because.
Who is now precipitating the matter?
The authority, that is the 3rd respondent, please come to page 73 now.
Heard the learned senior counsel K. and Panindra appearing for the petitioners.
They issued a.
Learned senior counsel submits that this court from time to time has granted protective orders to the petitioners, directing the authorities not to precipitate the matter against them. Notwithstanding that, it appears that the authorities again began to interfere with the affairs of the aggregators, the petitioners herein.
My lords, I am not an aggregator, under the aggregator.
Affairs of the petitioners who run their business under the aggregators as their bike and taxi association. The
Lords, annexure J, they have issued a notification.
1 minute, sir. So the learned senior counsel submits that in the contempt so filed, a counter affidavit was filed by the Additional Commissioner of Transport, relevant portion of which reads as follows, para 4. In the light of the aforesaid circumstances, the impugned action shall remain stayed till the next date of hearing. List the matter on Thursday before the regular court. Yes.
Annexure J.
Huh?
Now they are seizing all the vehicles.
Impugned action ಏನು?
Annexure J, we have challenged where they have now issued.
Annexure J.
And all further action.
Shall remain stayed. Next,
Number 2,
withdrawal. Yes, in terms of
number 3,
same. Moved for Learned Counsel, the petitioner has moved the matter saying to withdraw the petition. In charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ? Withdraw the petition in the light of the submission made by the Learned Counsel appearing for the petition, but disposed as withdrawn.
4,
Same. The petition moved on the score that the charge sheet is filed during the pendency of the petition in the liberty, madam. Challenge is shown. 5, 6, same ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cape
number 9 for settlement.
79 ಅಂದರ್ ಬಾರ್.
matters.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿರಿನಗರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ನ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ.
Mood matter files.
ಮೂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹರೀಶ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ, ಅದೇ ಗಿರಿನಗರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಜಯ್ ಗೋವಿಂದರಾಜ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರ್ ಬಾರ್. ಹಾ, we have sent everything ಬಾರ್. ಎಸ್, ಅದು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇನೆ. ಅವರು 20 ಜನ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 20 ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 20 ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್. Next.
9, my lord, respondent number 1 and 2 is present, my lord, along with petitioner number 5. The rest of the other petitioners are
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ.
the rest of the other petitioner is not present.
ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಸರ್? You should do something for that. We'll close it, but rest of the other petitioners, record ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ everything. If it is applicable to other petitioners, you take advantage of it. They are not present before the court.
Before this court ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So the respondent 1 and 2 other.
Yes.
No objection.
Close.
Much obliged.
All the petitioners.
Yes. Great.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? Close. Yes. 10, 11 same. ಇಲ್ಲ, 11 settlement. ಇದು ಅಜಯ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅರುಣ್.
Respondent petitioners, 498 MLs. Matter has been settled in CRP 11 of criminal revision petition 11 of 22 before the High Court. Annexure F, page 155.
F page
155 is the joint memo that has been filed before the court in.
ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಪಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರ 10 ದಿನ ಕೇಳಲೇಬೇಡಿ.
Please.
Yes.
For the respondent, Wakalat for the respondent, R2 is filed.
So and so enters appearance in Vijay. Page 155.
Page 155, my lords. Is the joint memo that has been filed before the court in bench of this honorable court. Criminal revision petition 11 of 22.
Give this joint memo in a pen drive.
Yes.
Yes.
Only
Page
number
after you give that only it will be.
Page number 163.
Yes.
Is the order, my lords, a joint memo filed, the same is taken on record. Both parties are present.
That's all right. Don't worry. Yes. Disposed in terms of the joint memo. Pen drive will ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು.
I'll my lords.
Yes.
Admission 12.
Settlement. Right, yes.
295.
Huh?
That is case encounter, one matter is.
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ. Yes.
Compromise
ಇದನ್ನ
petition.
ಸೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವ.
Compromise petition.
ಇದ್ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅದಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಲಿ.
ಏನ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಪೆಟಿ ಕಾಪಿ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ ಅದ್ರ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
That one of the condition that we will withdraw this petition.
One of the condition is that you will give everything in the pen drive. Yes, settlement. 13.
Only
withdrawal.
petition number 2 is present in that case. Affidavit ಇದೆ, petition number 2 is present. Other
ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾರಿದಾರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಗಿರಿನಗರದ. ಗಿರಿನಗರ್. Why is senior counsel waiting? Why waiting, sir? ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ದು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ದ?
Justice Sanjay Gowda.
Justice Sanjay Gowda ಅವ್ರ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ದು. He is not there. He is coming tomorrow, I guess. Tomorrow.
18th.
18th. That is 17th Raja. 18th.
But in item 1 and list 2 minutes.
Aden urgency.
Move that matter.
All urgency.
Please.
Yen urgency.
Lords, it's a fresh matter.
I know.
I'm dealing electricity.
They demand some crores of rupees from me.
Can it
It's
not
covered.
wait till Thursday?
Lords, the problem is they're raising bills on my customers. There's
Raising
a cover,
bills, sir.
Lords, there's already an interim order of your lordship's court, Lord, sitting in Dharwad. In a similar matter, granting stay. Kindly see page 200, Lords. Identical levy is made on me, Lords. SLDC levies under a tariff order fixed for transmission license. Page 200. Lords, I'm a generator, RE generator.
The petitioner is a generator of electricity. The learned counsel submits identical action is called in question before the bench at Dharwad in writ petition 103235 of 2024, and the court has granted an interim order of stay. The interim order reads as follows, page 200. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay in the case at hand as well. Emergent notice to hand delivery. What hand delivery? Take it tomorrow.
But the ESCOM,
Take it tomorrow, no hand delivery.
Very
Yes.
well. I'm deeply obliged.
My lord, serial number.
400 cases agide hand delivery ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಮೇಲೆ.
Sorry,
Yes.
I'm sorry, I sincerely apologize.
Serial number 332.
Ah.
I will comply tomorrow. Also.
No,
Lord, please, my lord.
you comply and move the matter for recalling. Yes. 7 times comply ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ನೆ don't have
Yes,
any.
my lord. Tomorrow, ನಾಳೆ
No, no.
affidavit also ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ changes.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು comply ಮಾಡಿ move ಮಾಡಿ, I'll recall it.
The lordship's permission.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ now you are all right. Yes, sir.
Lord, the main allegation, my lord, is against accused number 1, which is a company, my lord. The director of that company is accused number 3, 2 and 3, my lord.
Serial number 6.
Serial number 29.
29.
29.
You are accused number 4.
I am accused number 4. Is the wife of accused number 3. Now, apart from being the wife of accused number 3, my lord, there is absolutely nothing on record.
Yes, government additional speaker.
Charges have been framed.
Charges have been framed. I'll point out, my lord.
You may have a 110% case.
No,
I will not interfere after charges.
No, I don't want a stay, my lord. I'm
Then
not
what do you-
asking for a stay.
What do you want, sir?
No, my lord, may I explain, my lord? Just
No, what do you want other than stay?
Lord, what I want, my lord, is let them show me what is the case against me. Because
That is before the trial court.
No, my lord, kindly see. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just show it, my lord. Kindly have page 148. 148. Narrate. ಆರೋಪಿ 4 ದಿಶಾ ಚೌಧರಿ, ಇವರು ಆರೋಪಿ 3 ಸಚಿನ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪತ್ನಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಇವರು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಾಲೀಕರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸದರಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ವಂಚಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಹಣವನ್ನು ದುರುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಂತರ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಹಣ ಗಳಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ A2, A3, A5 and A7 ರವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಪರಾಧಿ ಒಳಸಂಚು ನಡೆಸಿ TSA ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ CRM ಆಗಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದ A2 ಮಜುಮ್ದಾರ್ ಶತರ್ಪಣಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೃಹ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಎಂಬ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಹಣ ಗಳಿಸುವ ದುರುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಗೃಹ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಬ್ಲೂಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಂದ ಸಂಗ್ರಹವಾದ ಹಣದಲ್ಲಿ ₹18.92 ಕೋಟಿ ಹಣವನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is the allegation, my lord. The allegation is that I have formed the company called Griha Kalyan.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. Second is 18 almost 19 crores has been transferred to me. No, my lord, kindly see in the charge sheet.
Charge frame ಆಗಿದೆ. I am not going to interfere. I have not interfered in 20 matters since this morning.
Lord, what I want, my lord, is let them file a statement before your lordship on what basis they
Why
have.
should they file? They will file it before the court.
No, this except this, there is nothing.
You will get acquitted.
No, that's correct, my lord. But there are 57. No, the problem is this, my lord. There are 57 witnesses. My lord, already 2 years I have spent in jail in this case, my lord. My lord, now I am facing the trial. And I don't know what defense I have to take because 19 crores is not a small amount. They say that it has been transferred to my account. Now I can show from the charge sheet, my lord, not even one account of mine is mentioned in the charge sheet.
Sir, merits apart, charges are framed, matter is set at evidence. If I now interfere, since morning I've been closing cases following Meenakshi Bala's judgment that I will not interfere in these proceedings. How can I?
No, Lord, that's what I'm saying. My intention today is not to stay the proceedings or Lord, Lord, my intention is to know what is the case against me. What is the prosecution case? Lord, at least if they had mentioned, Lord, at least my account in the charge sheet, that in this account from Dreams, Lord, it is, I'm sorry, from Graha Kalyan, it has come to my company. Lord, I would not have pressed this case at all. There's nothing. I have to, Lord, face another 4-5 years trial, Lord.
What to do?
Lord, that is the Lord thing, Lord. That is why I wanted your Lordship.
Right? You
to
produce
interfere.
whatever is there.
Just issue notice, Lord. I don't want any.
No
interim
notice
order.
also, sir. I'm only getting the document.
Yes, yes.
Para page 10, grounds which learned friend wants to urge. First ground, man. There are 13. Well, senior friend wants your Lordship to evaluate the evidence and cross.
No, Lord. Lord, did I press that, my Lord? I did not. I am saying only charge sheet, my Lord. Your Lordship may ask them to say
No,
on
sir.
what basis they have made up their mind that the money has been transferred to my account, my Lord. The allegation is money has been transferred to my account. To which account has it been transferred? From which account it has been
That's a
transferred?
matter of
Let
trials.
them give a statement.
That's a matter of trials.
Lord, at least your Lordship were asking them to file that one statement.
No, sir, nothing.
I'll leave it.
No, sir. I don't entertain. You,
No,
I need
Lord,
not tell
if
you.
the intention was to, my Lord, stay the proceedings and take benefit, my Lord, of the interim orders, my Lord, which your
No,
Lordship
what
grant,
happens is,
that was not my intention.
instead of granting a stay, we'll get the trial court records.
No. I am not asking for that. I'm only saying let the prosecution tell your Lordship on what basis they are, my Lord,
They'll
prosecuting.
tell it before the court.
No, they are not telling, my Lord.
They
are-
will tell.
Except being the wife of accused number 3, my Lord, there is nothing. They are saying 19 crores has been transferred. I don't know.
Not
to
the
which
stage
account.
at which I decipher evidence. Sir.
Very well.
Yes, sir.
No, I am conscious of the shortcomings, my Lord, but
True.
I felt, my Lord, in this case, seeing that even in the charge sheet, my
No,
Lord, there is
there
absolutely
are
no
even
disclosure.
better cases where the father-in-law and mother-in-law are facing trial.
Correct, my Lord.
Nothing
This
against
is
them.
wrong, my Lord. This
Nothing
is
against them.
correct. This is wrong, my Lord.
But Supreme Court says
Just
not
because, my Lord, the husband or brother or, my Lord, somebody
No, that's not the
transfers
thing.
some money
See,
to
that is
account.
why you'll have to undergo trial and
I have
that is
undergone-
why you should, what stopped you from coming till now?
That's correct.
That's the problem. See, it's not that the mistake is of the court. The client comes to you at a particular time, then springs the urgency cannot be accepted, sir.
Very well.
Yes, heard the learned senior counsel and Madi. In the light of Meenakshi Bala, I will not interfere. All contingents urged before this court are left open to be urged before the concerned court at the appropriate point in time.
Obliged.
Yes. You
Century.
Huh?
Century crossed today.
Oh, yes, sir.
One request. Order for hand
ಅದು
delivery.
300 ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
For hand delivery, my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಸರ್?
The first matter, my lords, 230 matter, where my lords had stayed the impugned order of the transport.
ಯಾರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು?
I'll take it up tomorrow. I'll take the order tomorrow, my lords. I just give the memo for hand.
ಪಕ್ಕದ ಕೊಡ್ದ?
MB, motor vehicles, my lords.
ಮೋಟರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಪಣೀಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆ.
Please.
I take it tomorrow.
I'll just give the memo for hand delivery.
You take it tomorrow. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you move a memo.
Great.
ನಾಳೆ